Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix eFootball 2027 update problem in Google Play Store. So if you are not able to update eFootball from the Play Store, you are getting any kind of error or something, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First of all, you have to reset the Google Play Store. So open settings, go to apps, tap on app management or see all apps. Here search for Play Store and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on force stop and confirm it. Tap on storage usage, then tap on clear cache and confirm it. Then click on clear data and confirm it. Now after clearing the cache and data for the Google Play Store, just restart your device. And once your device restart, then open the Play Store. If it is asking to log in, then you can simply log in to your Google Play Store account. Then tap on search and search for eFootball and search for it and then tap on it, and then you can update it and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then second solution is to turn on aeroplane mode and turn off aeroplane mode. So simply tap on aeroplane mode to turn it on, wait for a few seconds like 10 to 15 seconds, and then again tap on aeroplane mode to toggle it off. Then connect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data and then try to update the eFootball app and check. If that also doesn't work, then you must make sure that your device have enough internal storage space to download the update. Make sure 6 GB to 7 GB of free internal storage space is available on your device. If 6 GB or 7 GB of free internal storage space is not available, then you can delete unused apps or long videos and then you can try again. If that also fails to work, then you can switch the Google Play Store account. So tap on a profile icon in the Google Play Store. Then here you will see switch account option. If you have logged into your device using a 2 Gmail account, then switch to different account and then try to update the app and check. Later you can switch back to your original account. Now if still your problem is not solved, then one thing you can do, simply uninstall and reinstall the eFootball game. So tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, search for eFootball and then tap on it and then tap on install button to reinstall it and then check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix eFootball 2027 update problem in Google Play Store. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.